Welcome to day 7 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices, added daily through to June 1st. First of today's bundles is a Sensational grey board and craft card bundle, including 4 packs of A4 grey board and 4 packs of brown craft card. This 60 sheet construction selection is available at 50% off, down to just $11.96. Next, we have a new Vogue glimmer paste selection with 8 pots of this dazzling textured medium, available at 80% off to just $12.78. Store your pens with style using the MDF Pen Storage. Build and decorate to your taste. This MDF holder is available at a stellar 80% off to just $5. Finally, add some magic to your makes with a Rococo Fairy Dye collection. These cute Rococos are available at a brilliant 70% off to $14.68. That's your day 7 deals. As always, these are limited edition bundles, so check back daily to avoid missing out on the best deals Tonic has to offer.